Hi, and welcome to our Bretford Powered by the Pros live demo featuring our Cube Tower mobile charging solution. I am Grace McHenry. I am one of the regional sales executives over here at Bretford covering the Midwest. Today we're going to be talking about our new Bretford Cube Tower mobile charging station. We're going to start off with kind of going over the features and speeds and feeds of the tower, followed by some use cases both in K-12 as well as the enterprise workspace. From there, we're going to lead into some of the frequently asked questions that we've seen in the market through trade shows and some of our existing customers saying, what do you want to see from Bretford? And finally, we're going to open it up to the audience and see what questions you may still have that we haven't covered. So to start off with some of the features of our Cube Tower, it is made of solid steel construction, the type of quality that you expect from Bretford, where it's solid, very mobile, and has a wonderful warranty. It has a 20-foot cord, meaning you can get to the center of the room rather than being glued to the wall. It stands at about 39 inches tall and 21 pounds, making it at desk or table level, easy to move at about waist level to roll around. And at 21 pounds, it's light, but also stable and safe. The casters are 2-inch locking casters, and there's 4 of them. And finally, our kind of star feature, well, outside of the 4 AC outlets, is our beacon at the top, which allows you to know when the unit is on. As we all know, we love knowing when our phone is charging. We like that little lightning bolt. So being able to see the light on the top lets us know that the beacon is actively charging and working. If you need to troubleshoot why you're not getting a charge for your device, the light's on, so you know you're working. Next, we're going to talk about some of the K-12 use cases. We found, based on market research, that about 30% of students are showing up to class without their devices charged. So that inhibits their ability to learn because if they don't have a charged device, they can't participate. The Cube Tower nests easily between desks, and as you can see, it's at the desk level, so we can easily plug in and use it. Right here, you see all of our outlets, and it is working. Another instance that we're seeing charging being needed is in the workplace. So with the kind of dawn of more open workspaces and kind of the depth of the tower and cubicle, more and more offices are open. So we're talking about more soft seating, large format tables, and group work. If you're working in office space and maybe you want to move over to a soft seating area, you can easily take the Cube Tower with you, and it's right at user items. So next, we're going to talk about kind of the features you're getting with every Bretford product, those competitive advantages in the market. All of our Bretford products are made in the USA, actually here in Franklin Park, Illinois. With that, you're getting no crazy lead times. This tower isn't going to be in a shipping container somewhere in the Middle Pacific. We can tell you where it is in the factory, when it's shipping out, and give you that true transparency that we're able to give you because it's made in America. With all of our products, you're getting a top of the class warranty, 7 years, no nonsense. And with that warranty comes service from our awesome Bretford customer experience. So now that you've seen kind of why Bretford's tower is empowering users with active charging for active learning, we're going to open it up for some frequently asked questions that we found from existing users, from trade shows, and again, when we're developing this product and finding out what our customers really want. So first and foremost, what is the warranty on the Cube Tower? As I mentioned before, it's included in our 7-year no. That means no fine print, that means the whole product. We're seeing record high funding, especially in K-12, and we don't know when that funding is going to come back around. So it's important to invest in high quality products that are going to last, especially this year. So buying a Bretford tower, you have the peace of mind knowing that we're going to cover you for those 7 years, including the electrical. Another question is, what makes the Cube Tower different from a traditional power strip? First and foremost, you have the AC outlets at desk level. We're not going down to the floor to plug in a device, and you're actually going to optimize the full length of the charger with your device. Rather than having those charging blocks hanging over onto the floor, you have them on your desktop. Another advantage is the 20-foot power cord, which you can see under here, that allows you to get to the center of the space. So you're not just talking about 6 feet from the wall, and if it gets unplugged, you're crouching down on the floor. You can easily move this to the space. And speaking of moving, we have the casters on it, so it's easy to move, no problem, versus a power strip where you're going to reach on the ground and you're going to grab it and move it up. And then another differentiator is also the beacon. You know it's charging versus maybe a power strip. You're looking under a desk and seeing, is it on? I can't tell. And another question we had was, can you customize the tower? How can it be customized? So just like the rest of our products, we have 16 signature colors that come at no cost, as well as logo based on particular quantity. In a lot of these, this is going to be a shared item. So if you're checking it out maybe from the media center, or maybe it's shared in a department, or they're assigned to certain working units, you would be able to do red for the tech team and blue for the HR team, or whatever that is for you. So as always, you can customize whether it's logo or color. So another question, how does the beacon work? So as you see, our beacon up here is just an indicator. So you're going to plug it in, and you can see that the beacon is working. But you know that it's working. We all like, especially if it's another part of the room, maybe you have a couple in the room, you'll see really quickly, yep, it's on. Again, like with our cell phones, we always like to hear that little thing or know that our battery is charging, and it allows you to troubleshoot devices. My device isn't charging. The light's on. Is it plugged into your device? Kind of that basic stuff. And finally, when can I order this new solution? So the tower is currently active at all of our reseller partners, as well as in distribution. So you can order your Q tower today, and it will begin shipping in the first week of January. So now that we've kind of covered our frequently asked questions, some features of the Q tower, and some use cases, I want to open up to the audience. If anybody has any questions, anything we didn't cover, go away. Anything you need, just throw it my way. Heidi. It moves. All right, so it looks like we don't have any questions. I guess that means I did my job and covered all the details. If you would like to learn more or order your Q tower, please scan the QR code you see on this screen. It'll take you to order now, and from there, your Bretford rep facilitated quote with your reseller of choice to make sure this is the best fit for you. And also, you can reach out either on our website at bretford.com or to your Bretford regional sales rep. Thank you so much again for joining us here today. And from the entire team at Bretford, we're wishing you a happy and healthy holiday season. Thanks so much.